So just now they're coming out from the exam hall from JEE Mains first shift. So what's your name, brother?
Sir Rishu Gupta.
What's your?
Moksh Gosai. Karan Jakfal.
Okay. So I'll be asking or interacting with them for their reviews for today's exam and particularly this shift. So what was the lengthiest paper and what was the easiest one?
So easiest one was chemistry.
And the lengthiest?
Sir, I think that's one maths.
What about you?
So paper was medium, chemistry was easy, maths was little bit lengthy but not as lengthy as physics. It was manipulative.
Overall, the paper was medium, and the easiest part was chemistry, and the maths was a little bit lengthy but not tough.
Okay. When you talk about the result, so what you are expecting?
120 marks.
Okay. What about you?
So around 130 to 140.
Okay.
130 to 150.
Any one of you were panicking in the exam hall or any hurdles you faced?
No sir. No panic situation.
No panic. No panic. What about you?
Only for last 5 minutes because I was doing some calculation mistake in that question.
No panic.
And you started with?
Chemistry.
Maths.
Chemistry.
Okay. So we got a miscellaneous reviews regarding the hardness. And so what will be rating the hardness of paper out of 5?
3.
3.
3.
Okay. So we can say it's like average paper. Yeah, average papers. And few are saying the chemistry is the easiest part. And few are saying math is the easiest part. Okay, so let's take reviews from a few other students. So was it your first attempt?
Yeah.
Okay. And out of 5, what will be the rank, like ranking the level of paper out of 5?
3, 3.5.
2, 3.
What was the easiest paper?
Nah. I think
Out of the 3 subjects, maths, physics and chemistry.
chemistry.
Chemistry is the easiest one. And
The easiest one I would say, but it was comparatively easier.
and what about the lengthier one?
Maths. Always.
May I know your names and the review of the exam just you have given?
My name is Arjun Singh. Paper was easy to moderate, and math section was little bit tougher side, and in physics and chemistry it was easy. According.
What about you?
My name is Abir, and I think the paper was between moderate and tough. Physics was very easy. Chemistry was physical dominated. Organic के काफी कम questions थे, and I think maths was on the tougher side, like he said. But overall, special questions बहुत थे chemistry में, statements वाले, and inorganic के थे questions, organic कम थे, like I said. Physical में calculative थे काफी questions, and yeah.
Okay. And can you please tell us some of your hurdles, the difficulties you faced throughout your preparation days?
Consistency is the main.
I'm asking about your hurdles, difficulties. Have you ever felt like you are crying, you are depressed?
अप्स एंड डाउन्स तो रहते हैं, सबके उसमें रहते हैं, बट ये होता है आपको, आप कम कैसे करते हो. एक नेगेटिव ये नहीं होता कि आप बार बार नेगेटिव लाते रहो, आपको नेगेटिव में भी पॉजिटिव ढूंढना पड़ता है, तभी आप पॉजिटिव ला पाओगे.
That's great. So what motivated you?
माय पेरेंट्स.
That's great. What about you, brother?
मेरे को आई थिंक कोडिंग और IITs का कल्चर काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है, तो आई वांटेड टू गो देयर. दैट इज़ व्हाट मोटिवेटेड मी. माय बिगेस्ट हर्डल वाज मेंटेनिंग कंसिस्टेंसी, क्योंकि 2 साल तक हर रोज़ पढ़ना एंड अप टू डेट रहना विदाउट गेटिंग एनी बैकलॉग्स, दैट इज़ वेरी टफ. तो वो मेंटेन करना वाज माय बिगेस्ट हर्डल, और हर वक्त मोटिवेटेड रहना. बट माय पेरेंट्स हेल्प मी, एंड कंसिस्टेंट रिमेनिंग कंसिस्टेंट इज़ द की टू क्रैक दिस एग्जाम, सो आई हैड टू डू इट.
मैं चीज़ कहना चाहूँगा कि 2 साल आप पढ़ते हो, लेकिन एक दिन आपका डिसाइड करता है आपने 2 साल कितना पढ़ा. कोई 2 साल आपसे पूछेगा नहीं आपने कितना पढ़ा, बट एक दिन अगर आपने कुछ भी कम ज़्यादा हो गया तो पूरा साल आपका खराब चला जाता है.
So how you wanna contribute to the nation as an engineer?
Doing new innovations for the welfare of the society.
I think in the future I'll start a business to help the youngsters of this country, and using my skills as an engineer, I'll try to develop something that will help them, and using technology like so many companies like PW do nowadays.
Okay. And who motivated you or helped you the most during the time of your preparation?
My mother helped me the most during my preparation. She was always there to listen to me whenever I felt like crying or whenever I was sad about something. She was always there to listen to me, and she motivated me. She guided me.
So, what about you? Who supported you the most?
My parents and my good friends
Okay. How they used to help you?
teach me some chapters that I have a backlog in, so to cover up my syllabus faster and interaction mode.
Okay, that's good. Okay, thank you.